Good morning everyone, my name is Dawim Surantabarus and my student ID is 15250028, and today I will present my literature review entitled Artificial Intelligence Applications in Education. In this presentation, I will discuss two research articles that explain how artificial intelligence is applied in education and how AI literacy can prepare students for the future. In introduction, research topic. The research topic of this presentation is artificial intelligence applications in education. This study review how AI has been applied in education, focusing on research trends, educational applications, and the challenges of AI implementation from 2010 to 2020. Why it is important? First, AI improves learning effectiveness. AI can analyze students' learning progress and provide learning materials that match their abilities. Second, AI personalizes the learning experience. Every student has different learning styles and learning speeds. Third, AI support teacher with intelligence tools. For example, AI can help teacher grade assignment automatically, monitor student performance, and identify students who might need additional support. Finally, AI prepares students for the digital era. Today, AI is widely used in many industries. Now I will explain the first article. The title of this article is A Review of Artificial Intelligence in Education from 2010 to 2020. It was written by Xuesong Zhai and his colleagues and published in the journal Complexity in 2021. The purpose of this study is to review how artificial intelligence has been applied in education over a 10-year period from 2010 to 2020. In Article 1 details, first let's look at the research method. The researchers use a systematic literature review or SLR. This method involves collecting and analyzing previous research instead of conducting experiments. They reviewed 100 scientific articles published between 2010 and 2020. In main findings, the study found that AI has brought many benefits to education. One of the most important findings is that AI supports personalized learning, where studies receive learning materials based on their individual abilities and learning pace. The researchers also found that intelligent tutoring system can provide instant feedback to students, while adaptive learning system automatically adjust learning content according to student performance. In conclusion, the researchers believe that artificial intelligence has great potential to improve the quality of education and make learning more effective and engaging. Now let's move on to the second article. The title of this article is The AI Literacy Heptagon, a structured approach to AI literacy in higher education. It was written by Veronica Haeckel, Alexandra Elena Muller, and Maximilian Seiler, and published in the journal Computers and Education, Artificial Intelligence in 2026. Unlike the first article, which focuses on AI applications in education, this article focuses on AI literacy. AI literacy means having the knowledge, skills, and awareness needed to understand, use, and evaluate artificial intelligence responsibly. The details on Article 2. Let's begin with the research method. The research is an integrative literature review based on the PRISMA framework. Prisma is a systematic method for identifying, selecting, and analyzing high-quality research articles. After reviewing the literature, the researchers validated their proposed framework through curriculum mapping with experts from higher education. Main findings: the main outcome of this study is the development of the AI literacy heptagon. These include technical knowledge, application proficiency, critical thinking, ethical awareness, social impact, integration skills, and legal and regulatory knowledge. The researchers are also introduced for competency level based on Bloom taxonomy. This level help educators determine how AI literacy can be taught progressively from basic understanding to advanced application and evaluation. In conclusion, the researchers believe that the AI literacy heptagon provides a practical and flexible framework for integrating AI literacy into higher education. This framework helps universities design courses that prepare students with both technical and non-technical AI competencies. After reviewing both articles, I would like to compare their similarities, differences, and discuss which one I found most useful. Okay, first let's look at the similarities. Both articles focus on the role of artificial intelligence in education. They agree that AI has the potential to improve teaching and learning by making education more effective, personalized, and innovative. However, the two articles have different focuses. The first article is a review study that summarizes how AI has been applied in education over the last decade. It discusses various AI technologies, research trends, educational applications, and implementation challenges. In contrast, the second article does not focus on AI technologies themselves. Instead, it introduces the AI literacy heptagon, which is a framework designed to help universities teach students the knowledge and skills required to use AI responsibly and effectively. Most useful. Personally, I found the second article to be more useful. The reason is that it provides a practical framework that universities can directly apply when designing AI related courses and curricula. However, the first article is also very valuable because it gives a broad understanding of AI applications, trends, and challenges in education. Finally, I would like to share my reflection after reading these two articles. The first thing I need learned is that artificial intelligence is not only about creating smart technology. It can also transform education by making learning more personalized, interactive, and efficient. Through this article, I learned several new IT terms such as artificial intelligence, AI literacy, adaptive learning, intelligent tutoring system, deep learning, Internet of Things or IoT, Bloom's taxonomy, and the AI literacy heptagon. Real life application. In real life, the ideas from these studies can be applied in schools and universities. For example, AI can help teachers personalize learning, automatically assess student work, and provide learning recommendations. Closing. In conclusion, both articles show that artificial intelligence has the potential to transform education. The first article explains how AI has been applied in education, while the second article provides a framework for developing AI literacy in higher education. Together, these studies demonstrate that successful AI integration depends not only on technology, but also on preparing students and educators with the knowledge and skill to use AI responsibly. Thank you for your attention. I will be happy